It's a super bumpy ride on the beach. We're heading out to adventure today. We're going down towards Ocracoke to check out the lighthouses, which means we have to take a very cool ferry ride.
You can't just come flying in here like that. What's wrong with you?
Of course, we can't go anywhere without putting air back in the tires. All aired up and ready to go. This particular trip takes quite a long time. It's a few hours to go south all the way down 12 towards Hatteras. Past Hatteras? And then there's a ferry that takes you over to Ocracoke, right? Am I correct? Veronica knows all the things. I'm just relaying them for the video.
How long do we get there?
Carson, do not ask that question again.
We made it to the ferry. Carson, you've never rode this ferry, have you?
Yeah!
Yay, Eliza! We're gonna get on a boat with our car. We're on the back of the boat. All right, they're making it. Okay, welcome to the ferry, Liza. We're on the ferry.
There's a lot of cars on this.
There's the captain up there. Bing, bing!
So sick right now. I can't pretend like I'm driving because it's not.
No, it's not. Nope. You like it? Okay, good. Good, I'm glad you like it. Oh yeah.
We're on a boat. Look over here. Uh-oh, get it, Carson. Here we go.
Woo! Boy, that's brisk. Oh, that's brisk.
Okay.
Oh, that's brisk. Whew. It's pretty.
This is very weird for me. I just need to like close my eyes. We're sitting forward in a car but going backward on a boat. I can't.
Oh, the struggle of getting up early and leaving the house. I got 12% left to export the vlog. So I'm working on yesterday's vlog on this long boat ride. There's no power here. So I have to wait till we hit land to find somewhere to have lunch, to have power to export, to upload, and all that stuff. So that's what I'm working on. I think we're almost there. You're starting to see land. There for a while, it was nothing. And it's super cold out there. The dock's right there. Whoa! We made it.
Go.
Adios, buddy. Oh!
They're going.
We're going off the boat, Liza.
Oh
my gosh, look at her mouth, all chocolate. Ocracoke Island. And I think the only reason we came down here is to check out the Ocracoke Lighthouse, which we've done once before, and once you see it, you'll be like, that's it?
Well, last time we came down was just to see the lighthouse, but this time we have a few more hours to spare, and we're gonna check out the whole island.
Are you serious? We're like island hopping?
Yeah, your mom wants to check out like the beaches and the houses down here.
Oh. We're going to Howard's Pub and Raw Bar. Mom, you gonna shuck some oysters?
No.
Shuck them.
Shucking oyster days.
Shuck. Come on, just shuck it, Mom. Shuck it, Mom.
My knife is at home.
You don't need a shucking knife to shuck it. You just shuck it, Mom.
You need a shucking knife.
Shuck up. Colin always goes for a crab. Carson dove in too.
But he doesn't know what he's doing.
He doesn't.
Yes, I do.
He has no clue.
You gotta break the finger off there first, Colin.
I don't get
Yeah, peel it back, dude. Yeah, peel it back. I'm pretty stoked because I got a blackened mahi-mahi sandwich. Love mahi-mahi. Super, super good. It smells amazing. Where do you want to go, Mom?
Shut up.
Oh, say it with me. Ocracoke.
Shut the hell.
Mom keeps asking Google, show me a map of Ocracoke Island. It's Ocracoke. 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 Mom keeps calling it Ocracoke, but it's Ocracoke. And we came down here to spend the day because it's quite far. We left at 8:30ish this morning, and we didn't really get here until 12:31. And it's 3 o'clock now. We've just been wasting time, and we ate. We got the vlog up, so I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video. But yeah, I think we're gonna go try and check out the little lighthouse. Yeah, so that's pretty much that. That's the Ocracoke Lighthouse. It's not very tall at all. Around here, it's probably one of the shortest lighthouses, but still very cool. Lighthouses play an integral part of, you know, keeping things safe on the coastline. And that's one of them.
I said!
Between just out there, 10 feet, 20 feet, and back here, whew, I had to stop doing everything and pick up Liza because she's getting sandblasted. But this is just like the public access beach for Ocracoke. Kind of cool. All right, so that's pretty much our time on Ocracoke Island. We're about ready to get back on the ferry here. I'm worried we might not make this one.
You want it off?
There's a lot of vehicles to get on here.
She wants her shoes off. Just
You want to take her shoes off, baby girl?
Come on, guys. Listen, those birds are laughing at us.
They're laughing at you. You got something to say? Huh, bud? You talking smack, bud? You want to go? You want to bring it? Want to go downtown? You want to throw some hands? We didn't make it.
What
are you gonna do? You're gonna.
I'm gonna tell your mom that was the last ferry out. She has to spend the night in the comfort station if there was somebody coddling her.
Do it. I'll film it through here. She hasn't flipped out yet. We have a bit of a wait now, and I figured, why not have a little bit of fun? I don't have anything that I think the birds will eat, except for some nuts. And birds eat nuts, right?
Yeah. No, I don't think.
I need to know, do birds eat nuts?
They could.
They can.
It won't kill them.
Good. Perfect.
Get one.
Thank you, Google. Trial run here.
Look at them.
Roll.
Look at them.
How do they even know? I haven't even thrown it. Oh my gosh.
You're gonna come.
It's safe to say that works.
The birds are gone.
They scared all the birds away.
I didn't call it.
Dang it.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I feel like I'm gonna get pooped on. Oh my god! I'm gonna get dive on. They're just literally throwing food right at me.
I don't want to go through the herd because I don't want to get pooped on.
Yeah, don't get pooped on.
They're just hovering everywhere.
We need popcorn. That's what we need. We need some popcorn. Finally. The wait is... Wait, that one looks bigger. Yes. Let's continue. Oh my gosh. That was a 2-hour detour. Roadblock. What do you call it in The Amazing Race?
Roadblock.
Was it a roadblock or a U-turn?
Can't see.
Oh!
Can't see anything.
Freezing cold. You, what are you just hanging out, Liza? Yes, we're letting Liza around the cabin as we sit in a boat in our car, enjoying a beautiful sunset on the water. Whoa. This dude's like, yeah, check out my shades. I wear my sunglasses at night because I'm a boss. I'm a boss. Look at me bossing right now. I'm bossing.
Mom, why is this in Grandpa?
Daddy wants to go to bed. Oh. Just got back at 11:16:17. The road, the beach road was treacherous. I was very nervous. It was rough. Did you think it was rough?
No, I was sleeping like this, and I was going boing, boing, boing.
Eliza slept through it actually. But we gotta get these kids to bed. I'm super tired. Are you super tired? Mm-hmm. It's amazing what riding in a car all day will do to you. Yeah.
That drive back down the beach was...
You did good. You did good. Obviously, Veronica's feeling much better, you guys. So
Yes, I am.
the antibiotics did what they're supposed to do, so that's good. And I think tomorrow, so tomorrow's Thursday. We're probably gonna stay all day Friday and then head home Saturday morning, or we might split it up and not have to drive it. Would you want to drive all day again or split it up?
Split it.
Split it up. So I don't know. We'll make a decision on that. But it is late. I'm tired. We're all tired. We're gonna get some shut eye. And I hope you guys enjoyed our look around Ocracoke today. It was a lot of fun. The ferry ride, the sunset, the short drone flight. Thumbs up today's video if you enjoyed our random little adventure. And that, my friends, is where we'll leave you for today. I want to say thank you so much for watching. And we can't wait to see you right back here.
Tomorrow!
We can't wait to see you right back here. Tomorrow.